Welcome to Tech Spectrum. This video will be going over the top 5 360 cameras. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Number 5. Best Budget Camera. Samsung Gear 360. The Samsung Gear 360s are picked as the best budget 360 camera. Its sphere shape and dual cameras make it easy to capture a full 360-degree view of the world around you as video or photo. With real 4K capabilities, your videos and photos will be crisp, clear, and high quality, so the moments you record will be just as vivid years down the road. Weighing in at just 130 grams, never worried about a tired hand again. Just hold on tight and steady with the grip, which also serves as a stand, or you can easily attach to a tripod or mount. Catch every second with up to 130 minutes battery life and up to 256 gigabytes expandable memory. Choose from numerous views, including 360 degrees, stretched, round, dual, and panoramic, to easily turn your video or photo into a mind-bending masterpiece. Download the Samsung Gear 360 app to add a personal touch to your 360 content. The app lets you switch up the view in a few taps with multiple modes to choose from. Then, when you're ready to debut your new work, simply convert the 360 content into a standard video or photo format and upload to wherever your audience is. Pair the camera with your smartphone or PC and choose a platform to stream live broadcast moments you want to share with family and friends, whether they're special events or just a look into your day-to-day activities. If you're looking for an affordable option that does the job well, definitely check out the Samsung Gear 360. Number 4. Best Compact Camera. Rilo 360. The Rilo 360 is our selection as the best compact 360 camera. Capture vivid and realistic scenes full of details with 360-degree capture and 5.8K resolution, and spend less time worrying about holding the camera steady with its breakthrough cinematic stabilization, which also uses integrated horizon leveling technology to make your videos rock solid and steady from the very first frame, so you can focus on nailing those once-in-a-lifetime shots. Capture everything around you with the dynamic dual lenses. Each lens captures 208 degrees for seamless coverage, equivalent to a 7mm wide-angle lens on a traditional camera. Download the Rilo app to access features like viewfinder, front back, speed control, and 6K panorama. It works with your iPhone or Android and offers a suite of powerful editing tools to make your best moments even more captivating, which you can then share as a traditional HD video or as a fully immersive 360-degree video. As a bonus, it comes bundled with a sync cable that lets you connect to your phone to watch, edit, and share videos in the moment. An easy grip everyday case or a water-resistant adventure case are also available for additional protection. If you're looking for a compact option to take with you on the go, the Rilo 360 is the perfect companion. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video so far. Let us know in the comments below what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3. Best Premium Camera. Ricoh Theta Z1. The Ricoh Theta Z1 is our recommendation as the best premium 360 camera. This flagship model has a compact body, made with durable magnesium alloy that maintains a high level of rigidity and produces a high-end exterior with textured coating, and uses triple bend optical structuring technology for superb space saving that results in a mere 24mm thickness. It also has an organic EL panel, which displays shooting information such as battery level, shooting mode, f-value, and more. Equipped with a 1-inch backlit CMOS sensor, the camera can take 360-degree still images at 23 megapixels resolution, reach 6400 ISO, and capture smooth 360-degree videos in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, thanks to its powerful 3-axis rotational stabilization. Choose from various shooting functions including HDR rendering, multi-bracket shooting, and interval composite function, and choose between conventional JPEG images or record in raw digital negative. Create immersive VR video content with the camera's built-in 4-channel microphone, which lets you record 3D spatial audio that captures sound in all directions. App options include the basic Ricoh Theta app and Theta Plus app for smartphones, and the basic app, stitching app, file transfer app, and movie converter app for your computer. Additional features include time shift shooting, USB data transfer, remote playback, wireless live streaming, and automatic face blur beta. If you're looking for a high-end option that does everything you need and more, the Ricoh Theta Z1 checks all the boxes. Number 2. Runner-up, GoPro Max. The GoPro Max is the runner-up on our list. This versatile device is actually 3 cameras in one, letting you choose between hero-style video and photos, vlogging with 1080p live streaming, or immersive 360 footage in stunning 6K resolution. Say goodbye to shaky video with Max Hypersmooth technology, which provides unbreakable stabilization as well as horizon leveling. Choose between 4 digital lenses that include narrow, linear, wide, and max super view to help you nail any shot, and enjoy true-to-life 360-degree plus stereo audio from its 6 mics. Don't be afraid to rough up the device. It's built like a tank with its rugged and waterproof design. Use the Max Time Warp feature to create ultra-smooth time-lapse and 360 and hero modes, and get 270-degree panoramic shots at the touch of a finger with the Power Panel feature. Call the shots with access to 12 voice commands. Get to your favorite features with ease using on-screen shortcuts. Shoot vertically and use short clips to create 15 or 30-second clips that are perfect for sharing. Shoot jaw-dropping 360 photos and legendary GoPro POV shots, and share epic moments as they go down with live streaming in 1080p. Download the Quick app to easily get a handle on all your content, giving you access to all your favorite shots in one spot, letting you share the Quick from anywhere, automatically highlighting your videos, and offering you powerful editing tools. And use the reframe feature to transform your 360 footage into traditional photos and video. If you're looking for a great performing option with a proven track record, the GoPro Max won't disappoint. Before we continue, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with our latest videos, and check out the links in the description for more info. Number 1. Best Overall Camera. Insta360 One X2. The Insta360 One X2 tops our list as the best overall camera. Unlock a world of creative possibilities with this pocket action camera that shoots 360 video in 5.7K resolution. Skip the gimbal and get smooth video with flow state stabilization technology, and rotate the camera in any direction while keeping the horizon leveled with Horizon Lock. Capture easy aerial angles and third-person perspectives with the invisible selfie stick and watch it disappear in your edits. Shoot first and point later using reframe technology with features like keyframe, Deep Track 2.0, and autoframe. Turn the device into a traditional action cam with steady cam mode and shoot with one lens to get ultra-stable, wide-angle footage. It's rugged and features an IPX8 rating right out of the box. Or you can grab the dive case to capture underwater footage down to 45 meters. For mic 360-degree audio uses mics to locate and amplify your voice, and an ultra-bright touchscreen lets you preview in 360. Use voice control, Apple Watch control, AirPods connection, or the GPS smart remote to control your shots. Download the Insta360 app for a host of manual and AI editing tools. Use the Shot Lab to pick from templates like Stop Motion Mix, Clone Trail, Flylapse, and Flash Dash for easy creative edits. Pump up the dynamic range with support for HDR photo plus video, and enhance your low-light photos with Pure Shot. Achieve an instant split-screen effect with multi-view. Map your journey with GPS stats, make water crystal clear with Aquavision 2.0, and fly like an FPV drone with the fly-through feature. Additional features include bullet time 3.0, time shift, and freeze frame to round out the unlimited possibilities with this camera. If you're looking for an option that does it all, the Insta360 One X2 is it. That's it for our list, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.